Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 17th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin USD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, the monthly charts for Bitcoin, very, overarchingly bullish. We can see that in the recent history, we've had a bullish uptrend. We had this minor correction here in the form of a downward wedge. We've had the breakout in the month of October, and we can see November has been extremely bullish, and this is clearly what I had been predicting, based off of this breakout. Volume is actually increasing, so this upwards breakout is fueled by volume. It's not particularly a volume spike or anything. Comparatively, it's actually quite low volume. But if the volume does keep increasing at a steady pace, then we will be confirming this breakout with volume, which will be quite encouraging and actually quite a good time to buy Bitcoin. Similarly, MACD is definitely bullish. We had the histogram actually curved down, but this current month, seeing how bullish it has been, is actually, it's further, it's causing kind of a spike in the histogram, and we may see a upward continuation since this is, supported by the RSI. Similarly, weekly charts, although, here from the breakout, the RSI has been supporting the price action. Overarchingly, we've had this bearish divergence. However, this is very recent price action. It's going to take a lot more to reach these kind of highs that we're seeing. MACD has given us the bullish crossover as well, all the way over here. So that's quite encouraging as well. We had that indication a long while ago to take the buy on Bitcoin, and that's we can see. That's why the price has shot up, and now it's extremely high. Its valuation is very, very high. And that's all we get. Volume has been increasing since the breakout on the weekly charts. Very, very encouraging in the sense that volume is backing up this breakout, and that's what we like to see in terms of the weekly charts. Daily charts, very similar. Volume. There's a few, although actually to be fair, in this last few handles, volume actually declined quite heavily. However, Bitcoin volume is quite variable. It's very high in the last week or two, just considering Trump's victory. Plus, that buying spree, which led Bitcoin to become, I think, the 8th largest asset class in the world. A huge buying spree happened. That's why Bitcoin is now at 90,000, above 90,000 actually. RSI is bullish, MACD bullish. Bullish signals all the way for Bitcoin. Last week, we had a profitable buy signal where we entered at 88,770 and we exited at 91,889.07, giving us a profit of 3,118.33 US dollars. And actually, wait, just let me calculate that as a percentage so we can see. So that was a 2.87% gain in 1 week. That's quite a phenomenal price movement, price appreciation from Bitcoin. This week, we'll buy when it crosses 93,495.00, and we'll sell when it falls below 85,010 with a trailing stop loss. If the target or stop loss isn't hit, then we will close on Friday. Weekly and monthly trend is up for Bitcoin. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.